Hello and welcome to our proposal for the Design Project Management on the Kensington Colleges. Our approach for this stage will be using a holographic and interactive 8-dimensional virtual reality. Our approach will be running in strict accordance with UNSW's strategic objectives specific for this project and also university-wide objectives.
The procurement method is a lump sum contract with no exclusions. This is because the holographic model captures all required design elements. This is advantageous for both parties. The client benefits from having a contract that is predictable and risk-free. The client knows exactly how much the project will cost, greatly reducing their risk. The project team will also benefit by having a firm price on overheads during the design and construction phase. This allows the design to be fully documented before construction commences. This allows the main contractor to have full control over the project in terms of time, cost and quality.
In consultation with UNSW, we have identified key design goals and strategic objectives in order to aid this design process. We will be part of a progress control group to oversee the project in scope approvals, cost approvals, and overall design management. We will be using a collaborative and interactive approach with the client, consultants, as well as the general public. We believe it is essential to engage the general public on this process as they will be the end users and occupying the building. We plan to capitalise on this current media revolution by going to social media in order to aid this design process. We will create photorealistic renderings of our project and place them on social media. This will allow the community to shape the design of the building. Project leaders from across the globe will approach the project with a different perspective to proactively track the design development and help the design team make contributions that will not add excess costs and address constructability concerns. We are also better able to visualise the construction schedule and analyse implications of installation, order and other construction decisions. Our holographic design process will link everything into a connected device in an attempt to knock down the walls between architects, consultants and the contractor in order to create a clear and logical design process. The design schedule will be incorporated into our holographic design system, giving us daily, fortnightly and monthly updates of our design progress and offer us solutions to any clashes or delays that may come upon us. The architectural design team will also be available throughout the whole construction process in order to make detailed changes to any issues that arise.
The planner will take the lead in designing an urban model. This will be a 7-dimensional hologram which will allow our clients to interact directly with the model. This includes real-time data collected via satellite. This will enable the client and project team to experience how the development will add to Sydney and the university as a whole. Individuals will be able to walk through this virtual world in real life. This lifestyle model allows clients to understand how this university adds value and how it incorporates being an international university. This includes taking public transport to and from the university, including the airport. The planner is also in charge of ensuring the development incorporates an element of each international team. The team is made up of international individuals from different sectors. For example, we might have a Chinese architect who will include an element of Chinese culture in the development. Having individual elements showcases how the development is an international team effort. This ties into the university's goal of becoming an international brand. Lastly, the planner is involved in ensuring compliance with Australian standards and BCA and PCA requirements.
Systems support us in all phases, from design concepts and scheme to engineering stage. One of the most important tasks is to generate the construction model. Our system have access and collect data for in-depth research like legal document, client brief, and design details. By calculation, a variety of models are made and the best is chosen to guide the process. Collaboration and communication between construction manager and other stakeholders will happen mostly in virtual reality environment while they can physically be far away. It will enhance flexibility and interaction chances while saving a lot of time for productivity. Through various of data collection method like site scanning, report, the holographic program help control of all processes, time, budget, quality, and risk. The system keeps track of time every day from delivery to finishes, also work hours and phase completion. Percentage of completion will be then calculated to keep the process meet its expected speed. Similar to time management, costs are also analyzed. The system compares prices and quality from various manufacturers to provide the best option. It will notify the amount of budget spent if whether it exceeds the limit or not. Also, our holographic technology will also show its advantage on site. It visualizes engineering figures like dimensions or joint method, and builders can build accordingly. Any mistake or flaws are scanned carefully to identify so quality can be guaranteed at all times. And also, any factors that may arise or affect the construction process identified as risks will also be predicted as soon as possible for solutions.
With the 8D virtual reality system, we are able to enter the design process at an earlier stage. As the architect provides us with the initial design, we are able to select materials and finishes from the online digital product design catalog. The online industrial design catalog will have all the product designs from around the world compiled into one 8-dimensional BIM system. When a product is selected, all the information of the product will be shown, including a holographic real-life projection of the product. This includes the materials, the location of the product, estimated delivery time, and information on future maintenance. The system will save time and reduce any extra cost that would derive from the wrong selection of product or simply finding a cheaper manufacturer. The product selected will be in accordance to UNSW's strategic objectives, which will lead us to selecting products that are sustainable, durable, and cost-effective, just to name a few. Any changes made to the product selection will be synced to all the parties involved. Once a product has been selected and delivered, it will arrive with barcodes attached to it. This would allow the builder to then scan the product and will immediately be informed as to where the product goes and how to assemble it. This will reduce the time required to reconsult the plan and eliminate any misuse of the product that would lead to more cost. The products are then brought to its specific location via drone. In the future, when maintenance is required, all there is to do is to rescan the barcode and a list of actions needed to be done will be shown. In summary, the project team believes that this innovative design tool is advantageous in many ways throughout the design and construction process. The client is certain to have this project delivered to the highest possible quality and in accordance with the university's strategic objectives. The 8-dimensional holographic system offers an interactive and collaborative approach, which aims to put UNSW on a global scale.
Thank you.